Hello, in today's video I am showing you how to make CopyCat Olive Garden Salad. These are the ingredients you will need for the salad dressing. Let's start off with the ingredients. So you'll want olive oil, and then you'll want white vinegar. This is distilled white vinegar, just any white vinegar. And then water, of course, which I will get from the sink. Mayonnaise, and then you want garlic powder and also black pepper and Italian seasoning, of course some salt, and then the last ingredient, a packet of Italian salad dressing. When I recorded this video, I cut the recipe in half. If you see a discrepancy from what I'm saying versus what I'm doing, that's the reason why. In a mixer, add 3/4 cups of olive oil. You can add 1/4 cup at the end depending on the consistency of the dressing. Next, add 1/3 cup of white vinegar and also add 1/4 cup of water. Next, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now let's move on to the dried ingredients. You want 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, lastly, we are adding the Italian dressing mix, and if you need to add another 1/4 cup of olive oil, you can do that depending on the consistency. And here's the finished product. When I go to Olive Garden, I mainly go for the salad. My salad consists of lettuce, cabbage, cucumbers, and carrots. I'm not a fan of tomatoes or onions, so I left those out. Also, don't forget to add croutons and Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.